Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 26th, Linear Equations in Two Variables, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Solve for x and y. Quite a difficult problem now this is. You try it yourself also after this. So what are the equations given? Solve means what? You have to find the value of x and y. So 2 upon x plus 2y plus 1 upon 2x minus y plus 5 upon 9 equals to 0. This is equation number 1. And 9 upon x plus 2y plus 6 upon 2x minus y plus 4 equals to 0. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve this. So what you do is, you can see one thing in common, that in both 1 and 2, the denominators means 1 x plus 2y, x plus 2y, 2x minus y, 2x minus y. So what you do is, let capital X equals to 1 upon x plus 2y. Remember this, 1 upon. Why? Because we want everything in numerator. So 1 upon x plus 2y, and capital Y equals to 1 upon 2x minus y. So equation 1 becomes what now? Therefore equation 1 becomes 2 into capital X plus y, right? This one equals to minus 5 by 9. Getting it? And here, therefore, solve this. Take 9 on the other side. You get 18x plus 9y equals to minus 5. Make this equation number 3. Okay. Check this, what have we done. 2x, how did this 2x come? Because capital X is 1 upon x plus 2y. So this will be 2x then. Right. Now equation number 2. That also becomes the same thing. 9 capital X plus 6 capital Y, and this. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.